Why do some people get bit more by mosquitoes? Welcome back to FAQ Factory. Today we're giving you information in a new format that we like to call the long short. Basically, a shorter, long form video that quickly and directly answers a specific question. Today we're diving into a question that's bugged everyone at some point. Myself, my niece, and nephew quite recently. Why do some people get bitten by mosquitoes more often than others? Believe it or not, there's some solid science behind this itchy mystery. First off, mosquitoes are pretty particular about their targets. It all starts with the carbon dioxide we exhale. Mosquitoes have a keen sense of smell, and they can detect carbon dioxide from quite a distance. So if you're breathing heavily, you're basically ringing the dinner bell for mosquitoes. But that's not the whole story. Our skin also emits a variety of chemicals, and it's these chemicals that really make the difference. Certain compounds like lactic acid, ammonia, and some carboxylic acids are particularly attractive to mosquitoes. These substances are found in sweat. So people who sweat more or have a different chemical composition in their sweat can be more appealing to these pesky insects. Another factor is body temperature. Mosquitoes are drawn to warmer bodies. So if you tend to run hotter than others, you might find yourself swatting away more mosquitoes. Then there's the role of bacteria on our skin. Our bodies host millions of bacteria, and different people have different bacterial communities. Some of these bacteria produce smells that are irresistible to mosquitoes. In fact, having a higher diversity of skin bacteria might actually protect you from mosquito bites. People with less bacterial diversity are more likely to attract mosquitoes. Interestingly, genetics also play a role. Identical twins are more likely to have similar levels of attractiveness to mosquitoes compared to fraternal twins. This points to a genetic component in how attractive we are to mosquitoes. Blood type is another factor. People with type O blood are more likely to be bitten by mosquitoes than those with type A blood. People with type B blood fall somewhere in between. Additionally, about 85% of people secrete a chemical through their skin that signals their blood type, and mosquitoes seem to be more attracted to these individuals. So, if you're one of those secretors with type O blood, you might be more prone to mosquito bites. Lucky you. And let's not forget about what you wear. Dark clothing can make you a more visible target, while light colors are less noticeable to mosquitoes. It's like choosing camouflage for a picnic. You want to blend in with your surroundings. Finally, if you ever had a beer at a picnic and felt like mosquitoes were all over you, it's not just your imagination. Drinking alcohol can increase your attractiveness to mosquitoes, though the exact reason isn't fully understood yet. So, to sum it up, mosquitoes are drawn to us by a combination of carbon dioxide, body odor, body temperature, skin bacteria, genetics, blood type, and even our choice of clothes and beverages. It's a complex mix, but it's why some people seem to be mosquito magnets and others barely get a bite. One other interesting mosquito fact: did you know it's only female mosquitoes that bite? They need the protein and iron from blood to produce their eggs. Male mosquitoes, on the other hand, are content with feeding on nectar and plant juices. And there you have it, one long short that clears up the mosquito mystery. Hope you enjoyed this quick dive into the science of mosquito bites. Until next time, keep questioning.